Hi, my name is Dain. I work on the loadUI dev team. loadUI is an open source, free, cross-platform load testing tool. Now, what we really like about loadUI is that we have this beautiful, intuitive user interface. Everything is done with drag and drop and should be super simple to use. So what's really cool about loadUI is that everything is done in real time. You can create your test, you can increase the load, decrease the load, all while the test is running. Now this really helps you answer those tricky questions, like what happens if all of a sudden I get a huge number of users coming in? Or I have this load, I see how my server is reacting, maybe if I increase that just a little bit more, something's going to happen. So loadUI allows you to do that, and it's really awesome. loadUI takes distributed testing to a whole new level. We have this loadUI agent, which is some software that you install on several other computers, which allow you to take your test or parts of your test and distribute them to run all at the same time. So this helps you scale your test way beyond the limits of a single physical machine. And also, there's no limit on the number of virtual users that you can use, so just go wild with that. When we created loadUI, we wanted to do something new, something really cool that fit into the rest of our interface. So for creating your test, we have these components. Now they're kind of like widgets. You drag them out, you kind of rearrange them, and then you connect them using these wires. So each component has a specific duty that it does. And by orchestrating these together, you can create all kinds of really powerful load tests. One of the cooler components is the SoapUI runner. It's been completely revamped for this latest version of loadUI. Now what it allows you to do is take your existing functional test from SoapUI, giving you all the supported protocols that SoapUI has to be run in loadUI as a load test. So you can do real-time monitoring, you can do distribution, everything that loadUI has to offer combined with the power of SoapUI. And if there's any component that you feel is missing, with a little bit of Groovy scripting know-how, you can create custom components. Since loadUI is open source, you can just download the code for any of our existing components to read and learn from. We've also put a lot of effort into making the framework for creating custom components as powerful and easy to use as possible. The next great thing about loadUI is the awesome analytics functionality. The statistic workbench allows you to take all kinds of data about your test as it's running and plot it as a line graph. This allows you to see exactly how your test is doing while the test is running, so you can instantly see when that server starts failing. The statistic workbench also generates these beautiful reports, including the charts, and very configurable. And they can also be exported into a number of different formats, including PDF, HTML, Excel. While loadUI offers a great number of ways to generate load and see how your service is doing from a user perspective, loadUI Pro introduces server monitoring. Now, server monitoring allows you to see exactly what's going on the server. And this helps you answer the question, why is this request taking so much time? You can look at things like CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, database performance, and this should really help you to pinpoint the actual problem and hopefully fix it. loadUI Pro also offers professional grade support, meaning we'll help you find the solutions to your problems. That should give you more time for testing. So head on over to loadui.org. We've got tutorials and guides, all kinds of other cool stuff. Be sure to visit our forums where you can get in touch with other loadUI users. Have fun.